Hello friends, in this video I am going to unbox and review one of the popular wallets in India from Storite. It's a card holder too. So I will explain important features. I will tag the product in the video description as well as in the video if you want to check it out. So the brand Storite is mentioned clearly here, and also you can see there is a good amount of stitching is on both the side of the wallet, which looks at premium. The front side you can see that you can easily open it. There is a option is there, card holder is there in the front. And in the back side also there is a transparent area so that you can keep your cards and everything to show to the people very easily, like ID card and everything, without opening the wallet. Now let's open the wallet and see. There are multiple number of card slots are there. So you can see that it is ample amount of space. You can store multiple cards and also you can keep coins on both sides. So it can accommodate most of your cards and coins and currencies inside that, which makes it pretty cool and easy to carry too. And the color, even the gray color, suits well with most of your dress codes. So it's a cool option for day-to-day use. And if you see the weight, it is lightweight, and the quality of the zipper is really nice. You can see it's a very solid metal is given. It looks like high quality steel, and opening and closing is very easy with this particular stuff. And another thing is that the transparent compartment adds to the value that easily you can show it to anybody in that actually. So this is all about the wallet. I will show one more time. From the side it looks like this. When you close it, this is how thick the wallet looks like. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and also do give a thumbs up for the video. Thank you.